Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Vinka Seth and today we are going to learn about bonding. What is a chemical bond? Chemical bond is the force of attraction between atoms in a compound. To become chemically stable, elements go for chemical combination or compound formation. As you all know that to become stable, each element should have 8 electrons in its outermost shell. So, there are two types of bonding: ionic, which is also called electrovalent bonding, or covalent bond. To know about k-element shell to know about bonding, you should know about k-element shell configuration. Like to find the number of electrons in the last in any orbit, suppose, and the formula is this one, 2n squared. So for the first orbit, it will be 2, and n is the number of orbits, so it will be 2 electrons in the outermost shell. Then for the second orbit, it will be 2 times 2 squared, which will be 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Likewise for third 3 times 2 squared, which will be 18. So now this is called, no, I'm sorry, here it should be 2 and here it should be 3. So for 2 electrons, it's called duplet stability. And for these 2 and the another one, 4 electrons, it will be 32. This 3 is called octet stability. So now this one is easy. Now I will tell you about ionic or electrovalent bond. I will give you one example. So basically, it is the transfer of electrons. So for ionic bond or for electrovalent bond, you should have one metal and one non-metal. Like we will take example of, so we will make compound sodium chloride. So in this, sodium is a metal and chlorine is a non-metal. I will show you how. But just learn one main point, that for ionic bonding, uh, the compound form should be one metal and one non-metal. Like here we took example of NaCl, which is sodium chloride, metal and a non-metal. So I will tell you how. Now here, look, I will write that here it is metal and non-metal. This is one main point. Now, to make this compound, first we will take sodium, which is 2, 8, and 1. And then we will take chlorine, which is 2, 8, and 7. So, you all know that the number of electrons is not equal to the number of protons. So it have 11 proton and 11 electron. Here it has 17 proton and 17 electron. Now, to become stable, sodium should give this one electron to chlorine, so they both will become stable. This is the transfer of electrons. Sodium is transferring electrons to chlorine. So now, when sodium will lose one electron, you all know that any element loses an electron, it becomes positively charged. And when any element gains electron, it becomes negatively charged. So, it will be, the proton number will remain same because we gave only the sodium gave only electron, and here it will be 10 electrons, so it will have a +1 charge, and here proton number will remain same, and here it will have 18 electrons. Like here it was 7, it gains 8, so it was 18. Now it will have -1 charge. It will have -1 charge. So this is a cation because it has positive charge, and this one is anion because it had I'm sorry, because it had negative charge. So I hope you understand this. This will become a compound. NaCl means sodium chloride. So I hope you understood it. Thank you for watching my video. This is the part 1 of chemical bonding. In next video, I will explain you the brief information about ionic bond and covalent bond. So thank you.